nights and it's just you and me dreaming. Don't wanna wake up at all. Take a breath and let the evening breeze in. Watching the sun as it falls. Sit in the dark, sit in the silence. All of our problems just summer nights and you're the one that I dreamed of. Don't wanna wake up at all. Let's watch the stars ignite. There's no better place than right next to you. Feels like the world is right as long as I'm here right next to you. We'll capture the memory in our head like a melody. Now I can't see the light as long as I'm here right next to you. Don't need much 'cause this is what I believe in. You've broken down all my walls. You should know that I'm not chasing a feeling. We're gonna climb to the top.
And I'll be gone, gone tonight. Fire beneath my feet is burning bright. The way that I've been holding on so tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take her home. I'll drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life, and I've been waiting for this time to come around. But baby, running after you is like chasing the clouds. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life, the story of my life, the story of my life. In the arms of the angel, fly away from this dark cold and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. In the arms of the angel, may you find some comfort here. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
Sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku rela relakan dirimu pergi, meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu, ku tak siap tanpa dirimu.